Hey, get rhythm. When you get the blues, come on, get rhythm. When you get the blues, get a rock and roll feeling in your bones, put taps on your toes and get on, get rhythm. When you get the blues, boom, boom. All these shoes shine boy never gets slowed down, but he's got the dirtiest job in town, bending low at the people's feet on the window corner of the dirty street. Well, I asked him, will he shine my shoes, how to keep from getting the blues. He grinned his race, his little head, Papa shoes shine ragging. Then he said, get rid of 'em. Oh! When you get the blues, come on, get rid of 'em. When you get the blues, a jumping rhythm makes you feel so fine. You'll shake all the troubles from your buried mind. Get rid of 'em. When you get the blues, whoa. When you get the blues, come on, get rid of 'em. When you get the blues, the jumping rhythm makes you feel so fine. You'll shake all the troubles from your hurried mind. Get rid of 'em. When you get the blues. Well, I sat down and listened to Shoe Shine Boy, and I thought I was gonna jump for joy. Slap on the shoe, boy, slapped him right. Took the shoe shine rag and he held it tight. He stopped once, so I was right away. I said, you're my little boy, been rookie that way. Said I like it with a big white grin. Keep on popping, and said I can't get rid of 'em. When you get the blues, come on, get rid of 'em. When you get the blues, it only costs a dime, just a nickel of shoes. There's $1 million worth good for you. Get rid of 'em.